Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Navy Federal Credit Union member looking to make fast and secure money transfers, setting up Zelle is a game changer. Zelle allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account, and integrating it with Navy Federal is straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can get started in no time. First, ensure you have a Navy Federal account and the mobile app installed on your smartphone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already, and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, head to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually easy to find on the dashboard. Next, look for the Zelle option. If it's not right there, check under More Services or use the search bar. Tap on it to begin enrollment. You'll be prompted to verify your identity, so have your email address or phone number handy, the one linked to your Navy Federal account. Now, link your Navy Federal debit card to Zelle. The app will ask for your card details, so enter them carefully. For security, you'll receive a verification code via text or email. Enter that code to confirm everything. Once that's done, you're all set. You can now send money to friends and family instantly. Just remember a few tips. Always double-check the recipient's information to avoid mistakes, and keep in mind that Zelle transactions are generally irreversible, so only send to trusted contacts. Setting this up takes just a few minutes and makes managing your money so much easier. If you're new to Navy Federal, this is a must-try feature. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.